like mine. Don't walk away from love. Don't walk away. Don't go astray from love. Cause I'm here to stay. Don't contemplate too much. Don't contemplate. Don't walk away from love. Don't walk away. Don't walk away from love. Don't walk away. Don't go astray.
He's not used to seeing so much food from his childhood. When he sees all that food.
That's funny. When my wife going to Walmart.
When he see all that food on the buffet. Whoo! I gotta eat,
Yeah, when my wife be in Walmart, she be in Walmart for like 20 hours. I'm only going to get like a few things.
For how many hours?
About 20 hours.
She
spent a night at that mall. I be in the...
What's up, BE Squad? It's me, your girl Becky, here with the hooks of the night, Eric.
What's up,
and
guys?
we're back with another bangity, 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 bang. Bangity, 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 bang. Bangity, 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 bang. Bangity, bangity, mug. Bang. Tonight, we are doing the sausage, rice, and cucumbers. My husband already started cooking the sausage, so we wouldn't spend so much time on the cook portion of it on the video. I try to keep the videos a certain length. We are actually doing the Adele's pineapple and bacon chicken sausage this time, guys. This is it. I can't get into this side because my husband has an arm in the way, so I'm just gonna interrupt him. So that's the chicken pineapple. It's pineapple and bacon. We also have just some traditional, it's not traditional, it's actually smoked turkey sausage. So we're doing smoked turkey sausage. We got our cucumbers. We got our rice. I got some crab legs too, y'all. Y'all know me. Got some boiled eggs. We got our salt and vinegar right here for them cucumbers. He's drinking a beer. I'm drinking some Coke Zero. Let me go ahead and pull this on up real quick.
I'm going to pull up to my mouth real quick.
Yeah. All right. And y'all know I got some crab legs. Oh, tonight we have Flavors by Dame Dash Dippin' Dash Butter Sauce. That's going to be yum yum. We're going to go ahead and say grace to get it in. Thank you, Lord, for this food that we're about to receive. Bless it and let it be for the nourishment of our body. In Jesus' name, amen. So excited to try this pineapple sausage. I'm excited to try it.
You want to grab your own cup?
I just want a half. I don't want a whole like that. Yeah. Okay. No, cut it in the middle. I want a middle half.
Oh, I got a half right now.
Yeah, I want. That's what I want. Just put me one.
I want a whole.
So that's your only part you get.
That's cool, man.
Because the kids won't try it.
I already know it.
What other half to this one at? Oh, I see it over there. Ah, that's delicious. All right, so I want to actually move some of this sausage over so I can put my crab legs on there. Where your spatula at? I want to move some of the sausage over. It's still on, right?
No, cut it on.
Oh, you should have it on low. What's low?
It's on.
It ain't even on low. You ain't even do it.
I just cut it on low.
I want to heat some of these crabs up. Keep these crabs kind of heated. All right, y'all. I'm so excited to have Dame sauce. That's what I'm doing first, tasting this sauce. I've had it before, but you know, hadn't had it in a minute. So yeah, I don't want to drip it on my grill.
Pretty good. I like a kick.
I got a little bit. It's good though. Now, the moment y'all been waiting for. You already picked the sausage. How is it?
And the flavors, I mean, it's sweet, not too bitter. Hey, that joint on point.
Oh, this sausage is really hot. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good.
Yeah.
So y'all know, I normally do my videos by myself or with my daughter. My husband has done a couple of videos with me, you know, here and there. So I'm excited to have him here tonight, taping with me. A little excited. Not that much.
A little. You know, you real excited.
Not really, y'all. He always say something crazy. I'm actually gonna put some of Dame sauce over on my rice. So I already have some on there. Dang, I should use like a spoon so I can get some of the butter. You got butter? I mean, you got a spoon?
I need one, so I use the butter.
Well, that's alright. You can use the spatula.
That'll work.
I can get some actual butter on here.
Yeah, me too.
And some of this. How much you want on there?
I just want some butter.
Oh, you don't want the sauce on there?
Yeah, I want some.
Oh. I was saying. Because I'm wasting butter everywhere. So that's going to have to work. That's going to have to be good. Is that good for right now? Okay.
Good.
Alright. So in here, y'all know the sausage, rice, and cucumber. It's a very delicious combo. Very, very good dinner. That I like to have. Haven't had it in a minute. I try to do different flavor sausages. Chicken sausage, you know, turkey.
I like the onions there. The onions in general is pretty good.
When I first started doing this, I want some of them grilled onions over there. Give me a couple of those grilled onions you got over there. On the grill. Yeah, don't those grilled onions look good? They look bomb. Just put them right here on top of the rice. Thank you. That's good. That's all I wanted. When I first started doing this combo, I would only use smoked sausage because that's what I was used to. I ain't gonna lie. That's all I would use. So baby, how you supposed to do it? You supposed to do sausage, supposed to bite the sausage, eat some rice, and then bite the cucumber to get the whole, all three flavors. So you putting something vinegar all over your cucumbers, it ain't gonna taste right. You have to watch how you pour that salt and vinegar too, because it'll pour out.
Yeah, I see. What? Okay. All three flavors?
All three together?
No, it's good.
It's not good.
No, it's good.
So you the first time I ever heard say that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
What you want to tell me? You want to try pineapple bacon sausage? It shouldn't be that hot. Here. You want egg?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
good, ain't it?
So, y'all, my husband don't eat seafood, so I'm not being selfish, just letting y'all know. He don't like none of it. He don't even eat fish.
No me gusta
He don't
guacala.
even eat fish. More for me.
Wow. Oh man. I never couldn't figure out why beer fill you up so quick. Beer fill you up so quick.
Let me taste your beer. I love Dos Equis.
Yeah, they good.
Ah, delicious.
There's not no
I
aftertaste.
like beer in general.
Yeah, but when you got a good beer like that, it's not no aftertaste, no nothing to it.
I like beer in general though. I don't remember how it tastes with the egg. It's good with egg too. I just like my eggs better with beef sauce.
And your thing still on?
You told me it was on warm, but it don't seem like it's on there. Nope. And my crab legs ain't heating up. Okay, y'all, so I actually got my crab legs replaced today because I don't know. Some of you watched my video from last night. And if you watched the video yesterday, you know that I had them cooked at the grocery counter. And the lady steamed them to death. They were barely edible. So this time, I got them replaced for free. I did not... Hey, where my lemon at? In the refrigerator. I did not, have to pay. So, yes. Free crab legs are so much better than paid for crab legs. Well, I paid for them, but I didn't pay for these. You get what I'm saying? Like, they replaced them. So, man, I should have gave some more sauce out of here.
I'm good on sauce.
Before I put the crab in, I forgot.
My mouth is on fire.
This sauce hot to you?
You know, I ain't. You
It
know,
ain't hot to me at all.
I like it.
But my mouth is like same.
But
What kind of
for
sausage
no-
that is over there?
That's the regular one.
That's the regular one?
Yeah.
This right here?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a turkey.
You know what though?
Turkey sausage.
What I can say about that sauce though, man, and that rice is good.
Mm-hmm.
Man, the rice got a flavor to it. It's just hot and spicy.
Beef sauce tastes good in rice too.
I definitely gotta try that.
Mmm. Mmm. This sausage haven't cooled down much at all. Like, it's really, really hot.
Yeah, it's still hot. Rice, beer, it's not a good combination. It make you full.
You full already?
Yeah, goodness.
You ate too bad.
No, baby, I just souped it down.
Mmm.
I need another sausage.
I love this jasmine rice.
Yeah, me too.
Mm.
Yeah,
You put me some more Coke Zero. Mm-mm.
Which one you like better, the turkey or the pineapple? Which one you like better, the turkey?
The pineapple.
Yeah,
Chicken.
pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
They come up with good ideas.
Yeah. Give me some bite. I didn't even start eating chicken sausage until my last video when I did the chicken and apple.
Yeah, that was good.
So when I seen the smoked chicken sausage with pineapple and bacon, I said, man, that sounds good. Because that apple one was on point. There are some other flavors I'm going to be trying. It's a caprese. I got like a mozzarella type of thing going on with it. And there's a couple of other flavors I was interested in trying. Sausage. Another thing about sausage and rice, it fill you up. It's cheap. Rice is cheap. Sausage is pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Cucumbers are cheap.
And it was stuffed. I'm talking about stuff, you like literally stuff.
You make it. Make you some sauce, whatever kind of sauce you like. I mean, you might not even want sauce with it, but I like me a good sauce with some meat.
I agree, you gotta have sauce. Don't nobody want nothing dry.
That's why they call me the sauce boss. Well, Mama Dale called me that.
Nobody in life want nothing.
I don't have complete
dry.
notoriety on that yet.
Don't give me no dry burger, no dry sausage, no dry ass chicken, no dry nothing. I'm not going for it.
No, are you serious about that? I want to try one more piece of the pineapple. Just fry it with nothing on it. It's so good. It's delicious.
That is true. You don't have to eat nothing with it. That's how good it is.
I wouldn't even need no ketchup or nothing on this. I might just do me some
No bread, nothing.
I might just do me some grilled onions on it. We need to make these when we when it get hot again and we start back taking the kids to the lake and stuff and cook out.
You can turn your bread red.
I just wanted them to warm up a little. You ain't gotta eat this sausage.
I'm good.
I don't crap such good. But yeah,
I'm good on sausage.
he good on the sausage, y'all.
I guess I'm good on beer too.
What? Yeah, my husband is always the he's always the first person to finish eating. When we go out to eat and stuff, he's always the one sitting there waiting. Especially if we go to a buffet.
Y'all ready to go?
He was sitting there for the longest time just watching us. He eats his food real fast, like he just can't help it.
And my wife, she goes on
He's not
take
used
20
to seeing
years
so
to come
much
out.
food from his childhood. When he sees all that
That's funny. When my wife going
when
to
he see all
Walmart,
that food on the buffet, whoo! I gotta eat, I gotta eat.
yeah, when my wife be in Walmart, she be in Walmart for like 20 hours. I'm only gonna get like a few things.
For how many hours?
About 20 hours.
I do not.
She spent a night at that.
I do not
be in the
spend a night
parking
at
lot with a
Walmart.
camper.
I do not spend a night at Walmart, y'all. I literally be there like 1 hour. He think when we go in Walmart, when we're in there for 30 minutes, he's like, we've been in here a long time.
Okay.
I look at the clock and I be like, it's only been 30 minutes.
Okay, you can say 30 minutes, but imagine, just think about it. All right. She said 30 minutes. But if we get there at 12 and we don't leave store till 5 in the afternoon, what that mean?
What? It's because we leave Walmart, we go to the gas station, we go to GameStop.
Nope.
We never freaking went at 12 and left at 5. That's exaggerating.
One of these waters.
He exaggerating a whole lot right now.
That's what they all say. You're exaggerating too much.
He don't even like going to the grocery store because he don't like the cold section.
And I don't like being in there for a couple hours neither. Man, I done got to the point, I ain't gonna lie, I done got to the point, I walk in the store limping. I go grab me a ride-on cart.
That's so
I
lazy.
do not want to walk around no store.
Don't tell people that. Yeah, those are for handicapped people.
Well,
Not for you.
well, I was handicapped that day. I couldn't walk around the store.
I'm laughing how you just sitting there.
Nah, I'm just looking. Looking on how my mouth got so hot. Man,
I can't believe your mouth got hot like that.
I don't know. It's good though. That butter sauce.
Y'all
I'm telling
see?
you, that butter sauce and that rice is like, man, phenomenal.
People have different spice levels that they can handle. Like, this ain't even hot to me at all. But he's over here. You know what I'm saying? So, I honestly think if you are used to eating hot stuff and you eat a lot of hot stuff, you kind of get a little bit immune to it. That's my personal beliefs. But hey, who knows?
Flip these over.
You don't gotta flip them. They ain't even cooking. Oh, they sizzling a little bit.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You don't want them to burn.
Yeah, I was watching Tam's Table today. And she had some lobster and shrimp. She had some corn on the cob that looked so good. And she had Dippin' Dash sauce with it. I wanted some of them lobster. Lobster coming soon, y'all. I haven't had lobster in a while. Wow. I thought you was full.
Don't get no.
Is this sausage? Is this pineapple?
Yeah.
This is.
Yeah, pineapple.
Okay.
No.
Promise! We'll let her go ahead and try it. But this pineapple too?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh no, that is pineapple.
Where?
That's pineapple. Then.
But this ain't? What happened to all the pineapple sausage?
Oh.
I only ate one.
I had 1.5.
You sure this ain't pineapple? There go a pineapple right here.
I had 1.5.
It should be 2 more. Like, I don't know if I was eating pineapple or regular. But that's definitely a pineapple to try. And this is some turkey. Which is like an egg.
Look, you got a ghost in the video, look.
Oh, y'all, look. Marcello joined us.
Okay.
This is my 4-year-old.
Just without me?
My 4-year-old.
I want onions.
No, promise, take him out of here. Cello, you're not welcome. They will not say I'm targeting kids. I'm not targeting kids. It's good, honey. It's real good.
Yeah,
You want to try no turkey?
Yeah, where's turkey?
Right here. Dang, this griddle is keeping this sausage really hot.
I've been to it. I'm gonna burn them off.
I ate it too.
It's real hot.
I like it though. I like what to stay hot while I'm eating.
Yeah.
But this looks promising.
Shout out to all the mukbangers doing that thing right now. Hey, you want your food hot? Get you a little griddle.
We need the
Get your griddle, have that jet on.
y'all.
250, keep it warm.
We buying us a hot pot so we can do Korean barbecue right here in the house. And we're gonna do some hot pot mukbang. It's gonna be fun. Look at that. When it come out like that, don't you be happy? I know I do.
A lot of meat.
A lot of it. A lot of schmallet.
Chandler!
What you calling it for?
Water.
Is the water right there? You want a cold one at the refrigerator?
That's a cold one in the refrigerator?
I had put 2 in the freezer. I don't know what I did with the second one.
Chandler!
I don't know what I did with the second one. Let me see if I can get this to crack like I got that to crack.
Go get a water out the refrigerator if you see one.
Or freezer.
Okay.
And bring me some more. Bring him a bottle of water and bring me my cup of ice.
I'm stuffed. My plate is gone. It's through. That's a wrap for me though. I can't eat another sausage or any more rice.
You ready or you right?
I got a little bit of rice on there.
There ain't no rice on there.
That rice and that sauce though. I was still stuck on that rice and that sauce. It's like,
Is it water in this?
oh, it's fun.
It's a good amount of water in there. You sure? Pour the water off. Here, get that cup. Cup. Thank you, baby. I don't want to put no water in my soda.
You gotta be kidding me.
What? Right there. Kill me. Oh, that's the last of my Coke Zero.
I was thinking of I was thinking of something now.
I ain't gonna edit it either. I don't dare to watch this. Look how your brother's staring.
Dip do the same thing, except for worse. Yeah, Uncle Dad be zoned out too.
My husband got a twin brother, y'all. His name Derek.
I was on that because I was going to the store to get some dish detergent and some trash bags.
Uh-oh.
And I had like 20 police jump out the car on me just now.
Trying to cut the video off.
What? It's the truth though. I mean, it's getting carried away with this police. That's why so many people recording this shit. Like, I mean, so many people recording this and, you know, sharing it on social media. I mean, just because I'm black and I got on the jacket, that don't mean, hey, your name Jeremy or whatever his name was. I just wanted to say that. I'm just saying, it's messed up. That'll make anybody think.
Is these warmed up yet? Ooh. Come to mama. I'm not gonna be able to eat too much more crab though. I'm about full.
Stuff. I don't know.
I can't believe you got full before me.
I still got
Well, you always full before me. Cause it eats so fast. I should have lit some candles and got some fine chocolates. Wow.
What?
See y'all for what? For our dinner. Put a rose in your mouth, you know. Come in with it in your teeth.
Put a rose in her mouth and spin her around. And what the dance they call it? What kind of dance they call it? I'm gonna cut in my head for the end of this video.
You tripping.
The dance Zorro used to do. I used to put the flower in his mouth. Doom, doom, doom.
To my tango. Please stop doing that. Please stop.
You said you're gonna put a flower in my mouth, and I gotta spin you around. I'm gonna spin around.
Yeah, then you gonna drop me.
And then we're gonna do the hokey pokey and turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about. Hokey pokey. Nah, I'm not gonna do no hokey pokey.
We call it the tango.
I can't dance.
Now, I have really enjoyed this. Sausage, rice, and cucumber video. I really enjoyed this meal.
Yeah, it is hit
Not
the
gonna
spot.
lie.
Right, it was pretty decent.
Definitely hit the spot. I had to try some cucumber with salt and vinegar on it.
Yeah.
I dipped seafood in there.
Oh, see.
Eat the other side. What there?
You ruined it. You ruins it for Smiggle. Don't worry. If y'all wonder what I'm pouring on it, let me get a little close up so y'all can see that. Salt and vinegar. Good old salt and vinegar. They good on tater tots, french fries. I tried it on all.
He be making salt and vinegar fries. It be good. Excuse me.
Salt and vinegar on a lot of stuff.
Oh man, I just looked down. Where'd all the rice come from?
You can even put a little salt and vinegar in your rice. Now you're official hell. Salt and vinegar rice.
Drop my rock.
No.
You know I let Chandler use my headphones and she broke them.
Yeah.
The pink one.
Yeah.
Yep.
I could have told you that.
I told her I didn't want to use them. Like, you begged me.
I could have told you she gonna break those. Spin that, Mike. We scoop those out.
I did kind of know.
He got all his stuff out. You go bath.
Is he going to Atlanta? Like going to Atlanta by himself?
He going with the school with his car.
How long you supposed to be doing it?
He coming back home Sunday. Yeah, my son is in the Special Olympics this weekend in Marietta. He gonna be going until Sunday. This is his first time. Sorry, y'all. This is his first time being away from home without us. Ever. I'm letting him go. So, he really excited about it. They're gonna have a dance, a victory dance. So,
I think I have a victory dance. I am so stuffed. Golly. I know one thing, that pickle and that salt and vinegar together, it kind of got like a, I gotta say this.
I can't really eat rice. Like, I can't eat it a lot. So, whenever I do get it, it be on. It was good.
Yeah, it was.
I want that ice out of there.
Cut it over. That water is ice cold, like frozen.
Well, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching another video with me. Well, you're not watching it with me, but I thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. We're getting ready to head out. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and tell a friend also. I appreciate your likes. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate all of you guys for watching and staying down. I will see you next time on Becky Eats. Peace out.
See you guys.